What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you 10 command prompt tricks and tips. First one is how to open command prompt in the directory. If you have a program in the directory and you need to run it using command prompt, what we need to do, we need to open our folder, navigate to that directory, and then in the address bar. So for example, let's say this is the program that requires command prompt, and in the address bar, just type cmd and press enter. And a command prompt is going to open up in that specific directory. As you can see, it's on the desktop and it's in a folder called folder. Second trick, I'm going to show you how to encrypt files and folders using command prompt. So open up command prompt right here, and we're going to encrypt everything that's inside this folder. So it's just going to be this folder right here, ATAC folder. In a command prompt, type cipher /E and press enter, and that's it. File is encrypted, and it's encrypted one folder. If this folder would have more files, it would encrypt every single one of them. Trick number 3, how to change command prompt text and the background color. First, we need to type help color and press enter. And now all different options that we can choose. Once you decide which color you would like to go with, you need to type color, and then for example, I'm gonna go with aqua and bright white, so 3F, and then press enter. And you can see my background changed to aqua color and the text is bright white. Trick number 4, change prompt text in command prompt window. Just type prompt and then add your text here. And then at the end of your text, add $sign and capital G and press enter. And you can see right now it's changed to atech@youtube.com. Trick number 5, change title of command prompt window. So we can also change this title where it says command prompt. We just need to type title, and I'm gonna type atech and then console and press enter. And you can see title got changed to atech console. Trick number 6, watch Star Wars in command prompt. You'll have to have Telnet installed or enabled on your computer. If you don't have that, I made a video earlier how to enable Telnet in Windows, and I'll put link in the description below for that video. But if you already have a Telnet, just type following command, telnet towel.blinkinglights.nl, and then press enter. And now enjoy Star Wars in command prompt. In the next trick, I'm going to show you how to create Wi-Fi hotspot using command prompt. So you'll have to type this following command, and where you see SSID, I put ATAC hotspot. This is where you want to create your own SSID and password. I just left the password and then press enter. And this is stating you must run this command with the admin privileges. We're going to open command prompt and right click on it and run as administrator. And right here, we're going to type the same command again and then press enter. That's it. Hotspot was successfully created. Now we need to start a hotspot. Then you'll have to type this following command. And I will put all commands in the description below and then press enter. And that's it. Hotspot network started. Now you can pull out your phone and you can find your computer will be broadcasting hotspot network with SSID, the one you created earlier. In the next trick, I'm going to show you how to hide folders using command prompt. So for example, let's go back to my folders. And then in here, I have an ATAC folder. Let's open command prompt. So as you can see, the folder is still here. So we need to type attrib and then +H +S +R and a folder name, and then press enter. And you can see folder disappeared, and you're probably thinking this is easy, that if you go to on a view tab and then you check mark next to hidden items, that folder is going to show up. You're actually wrong. It's not going to show up. So for example, if we go back here, let me pin this, you can see it's supposed to show hidden items, but it's still not there. But don't worry about folder is still there. So what we can do, we can arrow up, and then instead of plus sign, just change it to negative sign. And then let me bring this down a little bit and press on enter. And you can see folder appeared. Trick number 9. And in this trick, I'm going to show you how to copy command output to a clipboard. So for example, if you need to copy ipconfig info into your clipboard, here's what we need to do. Type ipconfig pipe and then clip and press enter. That's it. It copy your ipconfig to a clipboard, and then we can open Notepad, and then in here just paste, and you can see ipconfig info is in a Notepad, and you can add clip into any command. And in the last trick, I'll show you how to get a list of all installed program on your computer. So for this, we'll have to type wmic space product get name and press enter. And it's gonna load every installed program on your current computer. And this is pretty much it. Hopefully those tricks and tips were helpful to you. And if you like this video, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.